Hey friends, if you wish to back up your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. And it's very easy these days. Earlier it was very difficult. All you need to do is search for Windows Backup in the Windows search bar. Open the Windows Backup app and expand it. Now select what you wish to backup, because usually the files and folders will be backed up if you check the option to save your files. So you can check them, but they are already backed up on my system for 3 folders. One is desktop, one is documents, and one is pictures. As for the rest, you can always drop them into the OneDrive. And then there are apps, and the apps are also backed up. Then settings, and then the credentials. Now what does it mean by credentials? It means my Wi-Fi network password, my Microsoft account password, and a few other passwords. So this is what has been backed up. And if you want to back up more, then you can always use the Microsoft OneDrive option for that. But you need to know one more thing, that Microsoft OneDrive has a limit. It is 15 GB as of present. It can be up to 1 TB if you buy their subscription, but it has a limit of the GBs that you can store in it. Now once this has happened, click on backup and it will start backing up your PC and all of your files on your PC. And here's something that I personally do. Let's say that I have this file to backup. Let's say I want to back up this file. Okay. Or better, I'll show you some file. So let's say I need to back up this file. So I'll simply copy it. It's in the videos folder. The videos folder will not be backed up. So I will go and paste it on the desktop. And later when I am rebooting my system, reinstalling my system, after the reinstallation I can place it back to the right path. Otherwise you can use a general backup option in which the same folders will be at the same place where you left them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.